All right, let's determine if this conjecture is true by the law of detachment. We are given, here's our rule, if the length and width of a rectangle are 8 inches and 4 inches, then the area of the rectangle is 32 square inches. The length and width of the rectangle are 8 inches and 4 inches. So here's our rule. As long as we have a rectangle with measurements 8 inches and 4 inches, then we know its area will be 32 square inches. Our piece of given information is that the length and width of a rectangle is 8 and 4 inches. They made the conjecture that that means the area would be 32 square inches. Did they get it right? In order for that to happen, the given information we have there has to be from the if part. Is it from the if part? Yes, it is. That was exactly our if part. Okay, so our conclusion would be the then. The area of the rectangle is 32 square inches. So this person did this exactly right. Okay, this one is true. Let's take a look at this example. If the length and width of a rectangle are 8 and 4 inches, then the area of the rectangle is 32 square inches. Again, that's our law that we're using here. The second piece of given information is that the area of this rectangle is 32 square inches, and this person conjectured that the length and width would be 8 and 4. Did they get it right? Okay, remember, in order to make a conjecture, our given information here in the second line has to be from the if part. And notice it's not. It's from the then part. They're saying the area of a rectangle is 32. That does not automatically mean that its length and width are 8 and 4. If you think about it, we can actually logically think this one out and say it's wrong. What if we had a rectangle that had an area of 32 square inches? Well, what are some other dimensions? It doesn't have to be 8 by 4. It could be 16 by 2. 16 by 2 rectangle, 16 times 2 is 32. Okay, so we cannot automatically say when we have an area of a rectangle that's 32 square inches, it doesn't automatically mean its length and width are 8 and 4. It could be something else. Okay, that's why our law was set up this direction. In order to make a conclusion, again, our given has to come from the if part or we can't make our conjecture. So this person got it wrong. This one was false.